All right, welcome to the Therapy Garage. We are taking simple tricks to a whole new level here. This is such a simple, tiny little thing, but it will save you 5-10 minutes of frustration. I'm tearing down this XS650 for a customer to then detab, and then we'll build it back up as kind of a street tracker, dirt tracker look. Stay tuned for progress shots on that. So taking the carbs out, there's always a little question, which way does it go, left or right? On this bike, this model, you have the oil fill on this side, the kick lever, that's easy to get out of the way. I have a clutch cable coming down over here. The simple trick is remove the throttle cable, adapter or receiver on this side. That gives you an extra inch of play on that side, and it should easily come your way. Got to make sure the the fuel line is out of the way, and you're always looking at that little cam chain adjuster down there. That'll give you fits as well, but should, with a little wiggle, come right your way, and there you go. And I'm not kidding, if that little bracket here was still mounted to the carburetor, there's no way it would have fit out that way. I would have had to try to get in and take those intake boots or something crazy off. So that's my little simple trick of the day. Feel free to comment. If you know an easier way or a simpler way, by all means, dumping old fuel on my boot. However, t-shirts, sweatshirts available on the website. Click follow or subscribe. It really does help me out, and then I can also provide more content, and it's a win-win for all of us.